Without quality checks, if a component was to fail, it would affect the whole performance of the product. So it's very important that all the components are right. We do electrical testing on the line for the individual components like transformers, crossovers, amplifiers, before they're even assembled, just to make sure that they meet the specifications.
After the panels are powder coated, we do a wand test where we apply a very high voltage to the panel and ensure that the thickness of the powder coat is within specifications. It's very important that the powder has a uniform disbursement across the panel, so we test every single one.
Each one of our veneers is checked. Our boards are checked for fit, size, function before they're assembled. Once assembled, they go through 3 or 4 checks just on the cabinet alone for sanding, finishing, for sealing. If one cabinet is found to be flawed, both cabinets are rejected.
Every single stat panel is tested before it goes into a frame. And we do a tone sweep at a specific voltage to make sure that every panel performs the way it's supposed to. We do test it in a controlled environment, but we also like to have somebody that's got a lot of experience listening to what every stat panel sounds like, so each one sounds the same as it comes off the line.
So after the stat panel is tested, it's then mounted into an airframe. The airframe is placed into insulators, and the insulators are mounted in aluminum frame rails. This is what is mounted onto the actual cabinet. So while the airframe is being made, another assembler is putting together the cabinet electronics. He will install a crossover unit, woofer, power supply, and he will install the amplifier.
Once the cabinets are completely assembled, they're checked sonically, they're checked for cosmetics, and then they are checked again sonically and checked again cosmetically. The MartinLogan team, they take a lot of pride in what they do. They make sure the speakers are in perfect condition when they hit the box.